Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about the electrode polarization and its causes and its eliminations, right? Electrode polarizations. Electrode polarization. Polarization. So what is mean by electrode polarization? Right. Electrode polarization means a change in the electrode potential. A change in the electrode potential when direct electric current is passed through the electrodes are called the electrode polarization. So first point you should write in the examination is a change in the electrode potential. A change in the electrode potential when direct electric current is passed through the electrodes are called the electrode polarization. Second point you should write. So polarization results in change in the potential when electric current is passed through the electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. So that means both points are same. So polarization results in change in the potential when electric current is passed through the electrolytic cell. So then third point is, so polarization also described as deviation from equilibrium. Deviation from polarization also described as deviation from equilibrium. Deviation from equilibrium. So equilibrium when electric current is passed through the galvanic cells. Electric current is passed through the galvanic cell. And so the polarization generally occurs at anode and cathode. At anode and cathode. Polarization generally occurs at anode and cathode. So next point is, so polarization, the most common form of polarization is the cathodic polarization. Cathodic polarization. These points you should write in the electrode polarization. So two more points you should write that we will discuss in the concentration over potential. What is that? Anodic polarization and cathodic polarization. Those 2 points are there that we will discuss in the concentration over potential. So for electrode potential you need to write, so a change in the electrode potential, a change in the electrode potential when direct electric current is passed through the electrodes are called the electrode polarization. And second point is polarization results in change in the potential when electric current is passed through the electrolytic cell. Next point is polarization may also described as the deviation from equilibrium when electric current is passed through the galvanic cell. And next point, the polarization occurs generally at cathode and anode. The most common form of polarization is the cathodic polarization, and also we will write anodic and cathodic. So next heading is what? In syllabus copy we have the heading is concentration over potential. So concentration over potential. This is very simple concept. Concentration over potential. Concentration over potential.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Concentration over potential means you should write the definition first. You should write the definition. But what is mean by concentration over potential means a contribution. The contribution of concentration polarization to over potential is called the concentration over potential. The contribution of, first point you should write, contribution of concentration polarization to over potential is called the concentration over potential. Contribution of concentration polarization to over potential is called the concentration over potential. And next point you should write, so for example, suppose if I will take the metal is at anode, the metal act as anode. So for example, I am taking metal act as cathode. What happens? So suppose metal act as a cathode, metal ions will discharge at the cathode. So generally cathode, at reduction takes place at cathode, that we can written as M plus N plus by gain of 2 N electrons it converted into M. So suppose metal act as a cathode and the metal ions will discharge at the cathode. At that time what happens? The concentration of the ions is decreasing. Hence the reduction, this causes the reduction potential is decreasing according to Nernst equation. This is called cathodic polarization. You should the next point. So another next point is anodic polarization. Suppose, so metal, same point, suppose metal act as a anode, so the metal ions will discharge at the anode, then So then what happens? M, it gives to M plus n electrons plus by gain releasing of n electrons. Suppose metal act as anode, it releases the n electrons. So it gives to M plus n electrons. So that we can write M plus n. That means, so there is increase in the concentration of M plus ions. There is increase in the concentration of M plus ions. So metal ions. So that means what? Electrode potential also increases according to next equation. This is called the anodic polarization. And the next point is the phenomena of departure of electrode potential from the reversible cell value is that change in the concentration, that is called the concentration over potential. Up to here you need to write about the concentration over potential. So one more subheading we have, that over voltage. What is mean by over voltage? Subheading over voltage. What is mean by over voltage? The voltage is required to reversible of a cell reaction is much greater than the EMF of the cell, is called the over voltage. You should write that point. So the voltage is required to reverse the cell reaction is much greater than the EMF of the cell, is called the over voltage. That you need to write about the concentration over potential. So these 2 points, suppose anodic cathode and anodic polarization, cathodic polarization, that also you should mention in the electrode polarization. So up to here you need to write about this concentration over potential. In next topic we will discuss about the concept of activity and activity coefficient. So mean ionic activity coefficient, so and its calculations we will discuss in the next class. So I will provide this notes in the description link. Kindly go through it. Thank you.